का तैयारे J-10C की पाक फजाइया में शमूलियत की तकरीब है और तकरीब में वजीर आजम पाकिस्तान इमरान खान पहुंचे हैं।
जनाब एहसासी कोर्ट अपने अलम निशान के साथ पैमाना एहसासी कोर्ट मेरे दर्द चल Kazazi Gold! Mother! Fun! Kazazi Gold! Costa! Colombe! Challenge! Number flag! Again! Kazazi Gold!
صدبانگ کے شاہی نمو
کارم بزمی چیست صحراست که دریاست ته بالو پرماست. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments from now, you will witness an exciting flypast by frontline jets of Pakistan Air Force. First to appear on the venue are the Sherdils in a 9-ship Spirit formation. Sherdils comprise of K-8P aircraft. Keep your eyes focused on the horizon as this formation will approach the venue right in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, emerging from the horizon and approaching perpendicular to the venue, coloring the sacred skies of motherland, the Sherdils.
This formation is being led by Wing Commander Yasir, Officer Commanding Advanced Jet Training Squadron. Ladies and gentlemen, the formation is spreading national flag colors of green and white in the skies, depicting national pride and glorious future of the great Pakistani nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the beautiful salute by the Sherdils, please throw your gaze towards left of the venue now, as the next aircraft approaching is a single ship Mirage aircraft from number 50 Squadron. This aircraft is being flown by Squadron Leader Abdullah Waji. Flying at an altitude of 250 feet above ground level, this aircraft will present a high-speed dash. Mirage is a frontline deep strike aircraft which holds a unique honor of serving Pakistan Air Force for past 5 decades. It's a beautiful machine with a high rate of dependability. Approaching from the left of the venue, the Mirage aircraft.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the single ship high-speed pass, now approaching the venue from the left is the formation of legendary Deltas, the Mirage aircraft. Today this formation is being led by Wing Commander Talal. This formation, ladies and gentlemen, will present a linear brake maneuver in multiple directions.
Ladies and gentlemen, the formidable Mirages are well known for their high-speed dash and accurate weapon delivery. The next formation running in is of extremely potent F-16 Fighting Falcons from number 9 Squadron.
Ladies and gentlemen, again appearing from the left is a 4-ship formation of JF-17 Thunder, the pride of Pakistan. This formation today is being led by Wing Commander Zishan. Pakistan Air Force is the only air force in the world producing a fighter aircraft in form of JF-17 Thunder on its own. It is a battle-tested jet with a very lethal cutting-edge technology. This formation will now present a linear bomb burst in front of you.
Here comes, ladies and gentlemen, the linear bomb burst. Now, from the left again, approaching the venue is a formation of most anticipated, much awaited J-10C Dragons. This formation is being led by Wing Commander Imtiaz, Officer Commanding number 15 Squadron. And here comes, ladies and gentlemen, the Dragon from the East. I present to you the J-10C.
This formation will now feed into the landing pattern and land in front of you. After landing, all aircraft will taxi in and park at the main tarmac, right in front of you in a synchronized manner.
Ladies and gentlemen, J-10C is an omni-role fighter aircraft enabled with extended long-range, first-shot BVR capability. Owing to its excellent performance in all flight regimes and altitudes, matchless maneuverability, and advanced integrated electronic warfare suite, the aircraft can take on any contemporary aerial and ground threats with a high degree of assurance. Equipped with latest avionics such as modern AESA radar and fully fused sensor systems enabling employment of a variety of weapons, the aircraft is ideally suited for conduct of multi-domain operations.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, the J-10C aircraft is becoming the part of the same prestigious number 15 Squadron that achieved the first aerial kill for Pakistan Air Force on an intruder on Eid Day, 10th April 1959, making it a special Eid for the whole country. Later, Squadron continued to keep its glorious legacy and achieved numerous laurels in 1965 and 1971 wars, and achieved 3 aerial kills. The squadron also played a pivotal role in Operation Swift Retort and created yet another saga of valor and resolve.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you look towards left, you can see that the landing has already begun. Realizing the emerging geostrategic environment and Pakistan Air Force's consequent role, the government of Pakistan was forthcoming in its support for acquisition of this weapon system despite fiscal challenges, especially in COVID-19 situation. The support extended by the JS headquarters and sister services in this regard speaks volumes about the synergy and clarity of operational requirements that exist at the highest levels. Tremendous cooperation by the Chinese government as well as PLA made it possible for us to sign the contract in minimum possible time.
The contract for the acquisition of J-10C weapon system was signed with Chinese OEM in June 2021, which included provision of the jets and associated weaponry along with initial training of the air and ground crew. Delivery of the same in only 8 months is unprecedented when it comes to acquisitions of such high-end technology and firepower. J-10C is a symbol of brotherhood, unity and trust. It also depicts hard work, devotion, dedication and perseverance.
मर्ज पाक की हवाई फौज के उकाब है, मर्ज पाक की हवाई फौज के उकाब है। यकीन बेमिसाल है, यकीन बेमिसाल है, यकीन बेमिसाल है, वफा में लाजवाब है। मर्ज पाक की हवाई फौज के उकाब है, उकाब है, उकाब है, उकाब है। हम अपने आसमान पर मोहब्बतों की कहकशां, हम अपने आसमान पर मोहब्बतों की कहकशां। हमारे शहपरों के साए हैं हमारे आशियां, हमारे शहपरों के साए हैं हमारे आशियां। हम अपने शहर शहर में वफा की लहर लहर में, हम अपने शहर शहर में वफा की लहर लहर में। मिसाल नगमाए अज़ा, मिसाल नगमाए अज़ा, मिसाल नगमाए अज़ा, सदाए शोलताब है। अमर से पाक की हवाई फौज के उकाब है, उकाब है, उकाब है, उकाब है। गरज गरज के झूमना, अजल के गिर्द घूमना, गरज गरज के झूमना, अजल के गिर्द घूमना। हमारा फर्ज दुश्मनों के लश्करों पे टूटना, हमारा फर्ज दुश्मनों के लश्करों पे टूटना। अदू से जंग जंग में लहू की हर तरंग में, अदू से जंग जंग में लहू की हर तरंग में। कड़कती जैसे बिजलियां, कड़कती जैसे बिजलियां, कड़कती जैसे बिजलियां। हम आग है अजाब है, अमर से पाक की हवाई फौज के उकाब है, उकाब है, उकाब है, उकाब है। वतन हमारी जिंदगी, वतन हमारे आबरू, वतन हमारी जिंदगी, वतन हमारी आबरू। वतन नहीं तो कुछ नहीं, न दश्त दर न काकू, वतन नहीं तो कुछ नहीं, न दश्त दर न काकू। कहीं ये सर न होंगे हम हर एक शहीद की कसम, कहीं ये सर न होंगे हम हर एक शहीद की कसम। हम अपने हर शहीद के, हम अपने हर शहीद के, हम अपने हर शहीद के कफन की आबोताब है। अमर से पाक की हवाई फौज के उकाब है, अमर से पाक की हवाई फौज के उकाब है। यकीन में बेमिसाल है, यकीन में बेमिसाल है, यकीन में बेमिसाल है। वफा में लाजवाब है, अमर से पाक की हवाई फौज के उकाब है।